Hello, my friends. What's up? How is everyone? I myself am fantabulistic. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here. And if you have, you know I love you and I mean it. And so happy that you're here with me to do a project. I'm excited. Are you? Let's jump right in. I am going to take this beautiful flower mold that I got from Temu. I'm not sure how you want to pronounce it. I shall say Temu or Temu. Just depends on really if I'm not thinking or if I'm thinking. I am going to affix it to this little flower candle holder. I'm going to fix it like this. So don't you think that'll be pretty, candle sconce? I think so. We're going to try it out anyway. I am going to brush it with mica using, this color is called Asiatic Red Lily. Isn't that beautiful? I've used it before, but in case you don't remember, beautiful. Go get it, Laura's Art Corner. I have her link down in my description. So I'm going to use that to dust. And I'm going to use this rose quartz from DiancaPours. Isn't that beautiful? So that'll look great with the red Asiatic. And then, I don't know how it's going to look, but darn it. Why did I get that on there? Why did I do that? Silly, silly Sam I am. You know better. Okay. So I am going to come in behind what I've dusted, and I am going to, instead of black, I am going to put in this. And it's called, it's on the bottom, I don't remember. Hold on. Enchantress, maybe? Yes, Enchantress. So, like I said, I don't know how it's going to work, but I'm anxious to try. I'm going to flip this little doodad inside out, brush him with a little bit of the Asiatic Red Lily and the Rose Quartz. Do a little bit of that so when I fill it with the prism, it'll have just a little accent to it. And just because I love it and I think it's sweet, I'm going to put this little, let's make him a red bird. Red bird on the side of this. Sweet, huh? I love my little birdie. Okay, let's jump right in. Look, I'm going to do a little bit of it and then I'll put y'all on fast forward. Y'all don't need to sit here and watch me dust this whole thing, but I will be quick about it because I have already mixed up our resin. For some unknown reason, I went ahead and did it. So, I have to work a little quick. That's okay. It won't take very long. Isn't this color gorgeous? I love it. I highly recommend you checking out Laura's Art Corner. She's got beautiful micas. Actually, everything in her store is beautiful. It's really hard to choose what you want. Really, really is. So I'm going to put some of the, should I do each flower a different color? Like the rose quartz and the Asiatic red. I think that's what we'll do. This goes on nicely. Yeah, I'll have plenty of time. I'm good. I'm good. See, I'm not going to do anything. Maybe I'll hit it. No, I'm not going to touch that. I'm going to do this. I am going to put a little bit of the rose quartz in this and then put some of the red. But this one I'm going to do all of this color. Isn't it sweet, pretty color? Oh man, I love it. Very sparkly. Yeah, DiancaPours She has a YouTube channel. I'm not quite sure if that's where I found her micas or not. She really has a unique display or inventory of micas. And they're very reasonably priced. You know, price is a big deal for me. I can appreciate that it costs a lot to bait the stuff, but come on, you don't have to charge an arm and a leg for it. Resin artists aren't out there being rich. Okay, let's do this one in the rose quartz. Now I'm going to do this one in the rose quartz. Oh, what was that? So I did a video saying Happy Memorial Day. It was yesterday. So it's a little closer to Memorial Day. I don't know where y'all live, but where we live, it has been rainy and gloomy as all get out. I mean, just, I feel sorry for anybody who has paid for reservations or a vacation where I live, because I live on the outer banks of North Carolina. Well, not on the actual banks, but on the mainland from there. And I know that it is not cheap to go down to the Outer Banks. I mean, I live pretty close to it, and I mean, I might go down there for the day or something, but that's about it. This looks cool, huh? That'll look very nice blended in there. Believe it or not, my day was so bad yesterday, I slept all day today. So just forget it. Forget the day away. Evidently, I needed some rest because I slept like a baby. I had like 20 texts on my phone when I got up. I was like, what in the world? What happened while I was asleep? Okay, now we shall do this one in the red. Moving right along here, y'all. Moving right along. Sorry I'm quiet. Oh, I forgot I was going to use some gold in here. I guess I could do this gold. Shoot. What do you call it? The daggone stem. That's what you call it. I cleaned that off and I wasn't ready to. See, even though I'm going over this pink where the pink was, the resin is only going to use the color that's on the silicone first. It's not going to pick up this red behind the pink. Maybe I'll just pour the whole thing gold. The whole background. Looking pretty good, huh? And I know this might be boring to some of you, but I was told by some people I need to show my work, what I'm doing, so that's what I'm doing. For others, you are welcome to fast forward or make that phone call, look for that text. Just don't change that channel. Come right back if you do. I shall miss you when you're gone. I think this looks fabulous, y'all. I really do. I love Laura's red. Okie doke. That's a leaf, that's a leaf. Starting, that's a leaf. So maybe I could, let's see, maybe I could do this. Just use a little bit of this where I'm gonna put the prism. So just like this. Barely hitting it, you know? And the prism will fill in behind it. You just got to put on a little bit and dust it. It will look nice. It will turn out really good. Hopefully, anyway. That's the goal. Okay, so that looks nice, I think. Turn this one inside out. And just hit it with a little bit of each color. Just a little brush on. Put you on pause 1 second. Hey everybody, I dusted it. I had somebody interrupt, so I went ahead and finished and dusted a little bit of this on that. Oh, see, I went around with every color, just hitting it a little bit here and there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this little popsicle stick and go ahead and put in a good amount for us. Maybe just a dash more. Again, I don't know what these colors are gonna look like, but you know what? That's the only way you can find out, is to just do it. Do it, do it. Oh my God, I almost spilt that whole cup of resin. That would not have been good. And just a little bit in there. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I mean, that's just silly to hold on to that. So we will just go ahead and put it in this cup. I mixed up 7 ounces. 7 ounces of Clear Cast 7000 from the Epoxy Resin store. It's all I use, gang. All I use. Okay, and then we go. Oh, y'all, I didn't do it right. I'm just not here these days, y'all. I'm just not here. Supposed to add a little bit of resin, mica to a little bit of resin, make a paste, and then mix in the rest of your resin. It's much easier to mix in, and you don't have to worry about any mica floating because it's all mixed in. It's a really pretty color, isn't it? Oh, I know what the deal is. I'm like, why is it so smooth on the inside? This is cup that I'm reusing that I had clear resin in. I didn't leave any for my bird. I'll put in the same color. We'll see what he looks like. Can't use them. We can't use them. I'll use them another time. Right? Right. I have no gloves on. This is going to spill everywhere because I don't know why I did that. Told y'all I'm just not right these days. I'll get better. I'm just a little off my rocker. A lot going on. Okie dokie. Now let's pour our flowers. Yeah, this color looks beautiful. Y'all think it looks good? That one's kind of full. And we'll let that drain in there a little bit. Carefully so we don't overflow it. It's my last little bit. Okay. Pow! Bam! Shazam! Here's our little birdie. I'll have to find something else to see what I can pour with this. But I won't hold you on here any longer. I will leave it for us for tomorrow. Or I guess for me it's just a couple hours. 6 hours, I guess. Okay. All right, I got to do this really carefully. Okay, that's it. So guys, I'll be back tomorrow or a little while. Okey-doke. Thank you. Good morning, my friends. It's another day with a new project in front of us. Or the project we were working on anyway. Yeah, it's been a couple days since I was here, so forgive me. I know I made my cute little bird. Let's go ahead and take it out. At any time, I might have to throw you on hold because it's early and the family's getting up. So, but I just wanted to do this video. So maybe nobody will come out. Isn't he sweet? Look. I love this little bird. I mean, really, I do. I'm looking at a blue one, a dark blue one. Now I got this one. All right, let's take out our little flower. See what that looks like. We had that gold accents on it. Oh, we had all the accents on it. That's right. I put all the colors in there. Tough little cookie sometimes. Here we go. Oh, wow, that looks nice. That turned out really pretty, didn't it? Can't really see much of the, I needed to get down in there better. And you can't really see the light pink. I could have done more of that. But I think it looks good with that gold accenting it. And that's beautiful. Yes, sir, Bob. And then look, I made this one with the leftover after I left y'all. It just did make it. Look. See that? Just did. It's exactly what I had left. I love it when things like that happen. Oh, you know what? This is cool. I need this. Look, it's a little... It's got like the druzy imprint, crystal imprint. It's just a little candle holder. Just thought it'd be another one. But I'm making another Groot. I don't know if you remember seeing my Groot video. I'm doing something really cool with him again. Because the one I made, I sent that one to my niece in Hawaii. And so I need to make another one for Braden. So I have come up with a new Groot idea for Groot. But that's what I'm going to do. So stay tuned. If you like Guardians of the Galaxy and Groot and all of them, which I went and saw the movie yesterday. We did it because we're having a really hard time with my son being gone. We heard from him and I'm going to put it this way. If you guys got any power of the prayer, maybe you think about Braden when you say them. That'd be great. I'd appreciate it. Oh, yeah. I wasn't going to say anything, but yeah. If you have any of the man upstairs power with you, then maybe you throw him in your prayers for me. I'd really appreciate it, guys. Okay. Okay. So, our flowers. Let's see what our flowers look like. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Very pretty. I wish I had more of this up in there, but oh well. That light rose with that, what color did I put behind it? I don't even remember, y'all. Enchantress. That made it really look different, didn't it? But it looks pretty. It looks beautiful. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. If I wasn't unmolding this during that last little bit, then I would just cut it out. But you know what? Maybe y'all should know what my mood is like anyway right now. Because it's not intentional. I want to be here. This is the best thing I can do. And I love you guys. And y'all are my friends. All 700, or how many is it now? 600 of my friends, closest friends. I feel very blessed to have so many people on my side. So, and my son's side, I should say. So thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. Now back to what I was doing before I was rudely interrupted by emotions. This is gonna go in here. So I'm gonna UV resin it. It'll go in there like that. And then we'll put the bird right here. What do you think? Oops. What do you think? Ah, there. Oh, shucks. Put the bird up here. What do you think? Put him up on the flower? That would be pretty cool too, huh? In here. Let's get this on there, then we'll figure that out. I was gonna put some gold eyes on him too. All right, so we are going to, well first, I just like the E6000 in there first. A little extra stick never hurt anything. So I'm just gonna put some of that behind that stem. This is good stuff. It is messy as all get out, and I cannot keep this daggone. I mean, look at my tube. It's mangled. And I try my, y'all know how particular I am about things. I try my darndest to roll this thing up straight, but it just gets all discombobulated and it didn't work. So, that's what I got. That's what I got left. I won't even be able to use it all. You know what I mean? Because there's no way I can get it all out with that tube all wonky like that. Okay. Now, phew, that stuff stinks. Which one? That looks like the best side out, huh? That side. I'm gonna say it doesn't really matter. Let's do, I'll go this way. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so I know I'm gonna put that down like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna attempt to do this while showing you. Oh, I can't even hold this stuff. Let me get the light. Got that on. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna try. I don't know if y'all can see in here anyway, but I'm making an honest effort for y'all. Because y'all are my friends. And you do what you can for friends, right? Right. Okay. Shucks. I'm really about to say the bad word again that I always say. So let's see what happens. Yeah. I love the colors. Really like that Enchantress. Whew, this stuff stinks. Anyway, I really like the Enchantress. I got that from DiancaPours. She has a channel. I don't think I've ever watched it. Maybe that's where I found her. I don't even remember how I found her, but I really like the micas that she had. Reasonably priced for the size you get, and they're really good products. Well, that didn't hold very well. It's because it can't get through there. All right, let me leave it on there a little longer. Either that, I might need stronger batteries. You know, because when you buy the cheap ones, they don't last very long. And you definitely need strong UV to work with. So, I'm going to pause y'all. I'm going to go grab some new batteries, okay? Alright guys, now I'm holding the sunshine in my hand. Got some new good batteries. Some Energizer, or no, Duracell. Like that matters. I mean, some people are like diehard Duracell or diehard Energizer. Like they're diehard Budweiser or Bud Light. I don't know why I thought of that. I don't even drink. I did have one last night, a Corona Light with my Mexican tacos last night. I don't drink. I mean, I used to. But I used to love the taste of just when I got home from work, just to have the taste of a beer. I would drink one beer when I was out in the yard or whatever, because I liked the taste of it. It just was very refreshing. I know that sounds crazy if you don't like beer, but if you do like beer, then you understand. Is it okay that I'm talking about beer? Does that offend anybody? I hope not. Actually, if you're on here and I've already offended you with beer, then I've offended you before that. All right. It's on there. Is it going to stand up? Oh, no. All right, so maybe the bird on here will help. I didn't think about that, y'all. I didn't think about it being too heavy. I got to figure out something for that. I have to put some weights in the bottom, which I can do that. Look. Watch this. It's like magic. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oops. It's kind of heavy, y'all. I didn't think about that part. There. Let me take the blue ones out. I do have some red ones, I think. Okay. Hold on. I got like a whole kit and caboodle of these things. Here we go. Here's a bunch of these. Don't even feel like they weigh nothing though. So then now that looks like a bird pond, doesn't it? Where's my bird? Anybody see the bird? Oh, there he is. The bird was trapped in the net. Look, he was in the net. So look, that kind of looks like a bird pond, doesn't it? So let me see if I can find a candle. I normally keep one right here. I don't know where the world I did with it. I kept one right here for these purposes. Where the shit is that thing at? Alright, let me find one. Where is it? Darn it. Alright. Put you on hold again. Be right back. Oh my gosh, they're packed away in the craft show stuff. So thankfully I'm like, there's gotta have one. I got to have one. So put that down in there, put these around. And then the bird. So the bird will fit right there good. Look. Right there. Oops. That poor bird, I'm killing him. Right there. What do y'all think? Look good? And it's pretty stable now, see? You put the bird up in the tree. I think he belongs down here though. On the, like in the water pond. Or, you know what it's called. Pond, fountain, bath, the water, whatever, up here. Okay. So, now we are going to do this. Can y'all see? Am I up here where y'all can see? I think this turned out cute, guys. But this bird's not wanting to stay on there very good. No, he's not. Okay, so we will have to, I'm going to get it to stay on there one way or the other. I just got to try it again. I got to not get the UV resin. I don't have any problem with regular resin, but the UV resin, oh Lord, y'all, I had the worst time with it. I really, really did. I'm going to put him back here. No, I just don't think you can appreciate him back there. We're going to put him here. But yeah, I had a terrible reaction with it. You know what I'll do? I'm going to try this again. I was thinking I would put the E6000 on it and then use the glue gun, but I don't want to use the glue gun on this. So anyway, the UV resin, I mean, my hands were tore slam out the frame, y'all. They were awful. I would have to go to the dermatologist a couple times, and it was just bad. And I thought it was from, because it didn't seem like I got that much UV resin on my hands. You know what I mean? It's because, you know, you're cautious about the resin. So I thought it was from the seashells I was using, you know, not using proper protection while digging in the seashells. So thought that, you know, because there's all kinds of bacteria and crap on those things. So just figured that's what was messing my hands up. But no, I pretty much deduced it was the UV resin at the desk in my room. Oh, cool. Now I got him on there. Perfect. I might do a little more just so I know he's on there good. Well, he's kind of leaning, but I guess that's okay. He's a bird. Is that okay? Is he too far in? What in the world did I do? Oh, look, it came right off anyway. Jeez, this ain't sticking worth a toot. It's going to hold long enough for me to put some E6000 on there to really hold it. It's just not, oh, great. There. So, we shall try a third time, because third time is a charm, y'all. It surely is, I believe. I was going outside my house, but it sounds like the biggest truck in the world is backing up. And, you know, I live in the country, y'all, so big trucks that beep when they back up is something we notice. Normally, it's the neighbor's car getting repoed. No, I'm just playing. No, we had this neighbor, his car was always breaking down. And we said, sure, dude, we know. They're just coming and repoing it from you every month. And he started laughing. He said, you would think. He said, I wish they would come repo it. He was really having a hard time with it. But yeah, when you live where I live, things are noticed. Big time. And that's not always a good thing. But, that's got to go. That's a big blob. Wow. Get off of there. There. See, there's like a big old blob on that. There we go. Okay. Now, little birdie, you go right there. Okay. Right there. Now, we are going to attempt to do this buttocks right here. Do y'all think I should put a layer of the rocks on the bottom? I was thinking that'd probably be a good idea. Of the half marbles, the weight. Leave it on there another minute. Whoops. I don't break it. Okay, he's on there. He's on there good enough until that E6000 dries. See, I just put a layer of or I could just put some UV resin some of these down. What do y'all think? I think it's a fabulous idea. I think it's a very smart idea, actually. It's going to take a little while to do that. So, I will put y'all on hold, and I'll come back when I have them all down. How about that? No point y'all sitting there watching me do that. That's like watching paint dry. Or resin dry. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, guys. There. I got it all UV resin together. E6000 together. What I did is I just glued most of them in there, or UV resin most of them in there. I left a few to put around the top of the candle, but see, I just went around UV resin them in there and made like a flat bed for the candle to rest on, and then just had a couple loose ones to be able to put around the top of the candle. And the bird, he dislodged once again, so I put him back on there. Hopefully he's going to stay. But now, let's put a couple eyeballs on him. How about that? Let's do that. Let's attempt to do that. That might be rocking the boat a little bit since we've done so well with everything. But we're going to try. Okay. Dot. That looks good. And dot. That looks pretty good. Sorry, y'all. I gotta look at it once before y'all look at it. There. See his little eyeballs? Oops. Where's he at? There he is. Little eyeballs. Do you think it's pretty? You like it? You want to give me 2 thumbs up? But really, you can only give me 1, so the other one, give me a subscribe. That'd be so cool, guys. I would really appreciate it. I've got some really great friends that visit me every video. All 600 of them. I love each and every one of them. You know who you are. You know that you fill my heart with a lot of joy, and that's all I can say. I so appreciate each and every one of you coming and checking out my videos, sending me comments, sending me likes. All that stuff is so motivating and so encouraging and just wonderful. It really is, and I can't thank each and every one of you enough. I don't think I do it enough. So I just like to take a moment to say I am indebted to you and so grateful for you, and my gratitude is immense for each and every one of you, for helping me out, for liking my videos, for really, I mean, not just giving a thumbs up, but honestly liking them and enjoying seeing what I'm going to do next. I don't ever know what I'm going to do next. It's a new surprise. I mean, right now I have a few things on deck that I can't wait to get to. I just can't get to them. So, you know, we just go through this one day at a time, and I do them with you. A little bit of business. I have 3 contests going on. First one, you like, subscribe, send me a comment telling me that you did so. I'm going to send you a number. Hang on to that number, because when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I am going to use my number generator to generate a winner. The winner will be for a mystery prize, mystery box with something cool in it, I'm sure. The second contest is the honorary color with your name on my channel. If you make a PayPal donation, $5 or more, then I will get a color in the color family of your choice, and it will be your color on my channel. And anytime I use that color, the first time I introduce your color, you get an entry into the Joy Box. Any other time I use your color, you get another entry in the joy box. When I get 15 entries in the joy box, I'm going to do a drawing for a pretty cool terrace clock mold. It's got the clock mechanism as well as the hands. It's pretty neat. The third contest is the amazing corny acorn. Now this is, let me show y'all. I do this every time and I don't have it ready. So let me leave that there so y'all can see it. I'll be right back. It's the corny amazing acorn. Or the amazing corny acorn, however you want to say it. This is the amazing acorn. Yep, to get in the acorn, all you have to do is show some support towards the channel. There's several ways you can do that. First, if you have some supplies that you're not using, that you don't think you're going to use, that you'd like to see me use, send them on. I love hand-me-downs. I mean, of course, make sure there's some life left in it, please. The second way is using my Amazon wish list. There's all types of stuff on there that can be used on the channel for you to check out. The third is the affiliate links. I have several posted with coupon codes for lots of cool products. And the fourth and final way is buy me a sweet tea. I like it by the cup, glass, or the gallon. Either way you want to do it is just fine with me. I appreciate each and every drop. Yes, I do. I appreciate everything that anybody wants to do to help support the channel, because all I can do is try and grow it, which is what I'm trying to do, so I can bring you guys some great projects. I try and think outside of the box so we can do something different, because, you know, basically all the same molds are out there, and you got to see something different with that mold. I mean, otherwise it's just the same thing, just a different color, you know. And I mean, I guess that's cool, you know, in certain things, but eventually you just want something different, I guess. That's the way I look about it anyway. So that's about all I have for today, guys. Again, if you liked what I did with our flower mold and our little candle light holder and our little bird, would you let me know by giving me a thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed, it would be an awesome opportunity and time for you to do that. I would really appreciate it. It only takes you a second, and it's really priceless for me, because YouTube likes the algorithm, and if they're not getting likes and subscribes, then they think your content's crap. Really, I mean, truly, there's no human being that's saying, oh, this is a great video, this chick makes great projects. There's nobody out there that does that. It has to be the human interaction that I depend on from all of you, my viewers. So thank you. I appreciate your understanding. And until next time, I love you, mean it. And I'll see ya. Bye.